Now the reason I'm shooting from down here is because I can no longer get to where I was yesterday when I made the movie of the sort of a bit of a trickle of water coming into the dam. Today the entire paddock in front of the dam is under, maybe 5 mils, 10 mils of water. Absolutely incredible, absolutely incredible. You had only 33.5 out of the gauge this morning. Yesterday we had 38. But I guess the 38 has really soaked into the ground, and so now we're getting runoff, which is great. I mean, the dam is almost full. I'd say that probably within about 3 hours it will be overflowing, which is relieving. But by the same token, I've got a new leak in the studio roof, which is a pain in the neck. Anyway, here we are. 28th of July, COVID-19 raging, dam filling up, house tanks are full, darkroom tanks are flow over, both house tanks and darkroom tanks are overflowing. Solar array over there, on a rainy day like today, is still churning out 1.1 kilowatt. How the hell does that work? I mean, it's